Dear student, class plus 1, exercise 2.3, question number 8. In question number 8, we have found the domain of flowing functions x square minus 3x under the square. This x square minus 3x is a polynomial function, and polynomial function we have find the domain of this function. We write this function equal to 0. Then we take x is equal to common out in this function, x into x minus 3 equal to 0. Then value of x is equal to 0. In these intervals, we have put the value of 0 and 3 in these functions. We get the all reals number. So in reals numbers, domains of all reals number, left the numbers 0 and 3. If we left number 0 and 3, then we find the domain of these number. In second part, it is also said that 2x minus 2x square under the square root. This is also the part of these. We say find the domain of these numbers. So then 2x minus 2x square equal to 0. We have find the value of x. Then this is the domain. In this functions, we have put those value which square root is completely shown. हमने इस फंक्शंस के अंदर x की वो वैल्यू पुट करनी है, वो डोमेन बनेगी जहां इसका कंप्लीटली स्क्वायर निकलता हो, नेगेटिव नंबर न आए. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हियर 0 और 3 दो वैल्यू आई. अगर हम यहाँ 0 और 3 पुट करते हैं, 0 पुट करते तो वैल्यू 0 होती है, 3 पुट करते तो वैल्यू 3 होती है. आफ्टर दिस वी हैव पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ 1. अगर हम यहाँ 1 पुट करते हैं इस फंक्शंस के अंदर, 1 square minus 3, this is negative minus 2. Then negative minus 2 is not the domain of this function because this function is not a real number, it is a imaginary number. Then we say that it is the not the domains. So now in fourth part, it is given that x minus 5 का modulus by x minus 5. Then this function is said that is a rational function. This is also called a modulus function. We write this function in two types. We take the remove the modulus, then first we take positive number, after this take we negative number. If we take positive number x minus 5 by x minus 5 and negative sign with this modulus x minus 5 by x minus 5, we get x minus 5 cancel to x minus 5, we get 1 and this is minus 1. Then the domain of this function is 1 and a minus 1. In fifth part, it is given that x square plus 3x plus 5, x square minus 5x plus 4. It is a rational function. This given function is a rational function. In rational function, we remember that in the denominator never be equal to 0. Then this is the domain of this function. If we put this function x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0, we find the value of x minus 4, x minus 1 इक्वल टू 0. तो x की वैल्यू आई आपके पास 1 और 4. यदि हम यहाँ 1 और 4 पुट करते हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, जिससे कि ये फंक्शन नॉट डिफाइन होता है. तो इसलिए 1 और 4 आई है, अगर 1 और 4 यहाँ पुट करते हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, तब ये फंक्शन नॉट डिफाइन आता है. तब देन इसकी डोमेन्स 1 और 4 को लेफ्ट करते हुए सभी रियल्स नंबर इसके अंदर इंक्लूडिंग होंगे, लेकिन 1 और 4 हम इसके अंदर इंक्लूडिंग नहीं करेंगे. लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस इज 1 by 1 minus x under the square root. It is also the part of fifth. In this part we have also remembered that this number yani denominator never be equal to 0. If we put the value of x is equal to 1 minus x equal to 0, so we get x is equal to 1. So then if we put the value of 1 is the domain of this function. Others number of this function, this never value of negative, then the not the domain of this function. So domain of this number is 1. Others number is negative number. Also put the negative number, we get the value of this function is positive. If we put minus 1, this value 2, minus 2, 3, but we put the value of 1 is 0. 1, 0, it means no define this number. So then this number not taken in these numbers. So then domain of this function is all real number not including 1. So then this is the domain 9. In question number 9, we have find the range of this flowing function. We are given that x minus 5 under the square root when x is greater than equal to 5. We have find the range of this function, then we put the given function is equal to y. X minus 5 is equal to y. We put the value of x. It is given that this is the domain of this function. If given the value of x, then domain of this function we have find the value of y. We put x is equal to 5, 6, 7 up to so. It is given that x greater than 5. Then we put the value of x is equal to 5. 5, this 5 minus 5 we get 0. Then 6, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So then it is the range of this function. If we find the यदि हमें रेंज निकालनी है तो जो x की वैल्यू गिवन है उस वैल्यू को आप दिए हुए फंक्शंस के अंदर पुट करें और जो वैल्यू आपके पास बन के आती है वो बोली जाएगी उस फंक्शंस की रेंज. इन दिस सेकंड पार्ट k minus x by x minus k where x not equal to k. So then we have find the range of this function. If we put here, look here, अगर हम यहाँ x की वैल्यू k पुट करते हैं तो then this functions became 0. This is not a defined. So then we take negative common out from the numerator. Then this became x minus k by x minus k. X minus k common out from x minus k. So both are cancelled. We get the value of minus 1. Then the range of this function is minus 1. This is your third part, x square minus 16 by x minus 4 where x not equal to 4. It is given that x not equal to 4. If we put x is equal to 4, then this numerator became a 0. Then function is not a defined. So then we make the factor of this term x square minus 16. We write x minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 4. X minus 4 cancel to x minus 4. Now it is given that we have put x is equal to 4. We put x is equal to 4. We get the value x is equal to 8. So now domain of the range of this function is all real number without expected 8. यानी 8 को हम इसके अंदर इंक्लूडिंग नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि x की जगह हम 4 पुट नहीं कर सकते थे. यदि 4 पुट करते हैं तो वैल्यू कितनी आई हमारे पास 8 आई, उसको शामिल नहीं करेंगे. 8 के अलावा जो वैल्यू आई है वो सभी इसके अंदर शामिल हो जाएंगी, वो इसकी रेंज बोली जाएगी. This is your fourth part, x square minus 9 under the square root. It is given that x is greater than or equal to 3. So then x square minus 9 is equal to y square. We put the value of x. It is given that value of x is 3 and 3 से above. So we will put the value of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to so. If we put value is 3, the value is 0, 1 to infinity. Then this is the range of this function. Fifth and sixth part of this function are same as 4. Question number 10. In question number 10 we have find the domain and range of this function. This question is already solved by question number 8 and 9. In this question we have find domain and range of this function. So then you do yourself these questions. In question number 11 it is given that fx is equal to x square. X value is minus 4, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And y is equal to fx is equal to x square. So we have find the value of x equal to, put the x is equal to minus 4 square 16, minus 3 square 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 6. This is the value of y is equal to fx is equal to x square. Now we have draw the graph of this function. We already discussed the graph of this topic on class 10. Now we again draw the graph of these functions. We make the, this is your x-axis, positive x negative, this is y negative, y positive. The value of x is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and y is 1 to 16. We take the value of x and y are different. Here we take the difference is 1, here we take the difference is 2. That does not matter. So now we take the value is minus 4 and minus 16. We take the combination value of these both. दोनों की सीध को मिलाते हुए वैल्यू ली minus 4 और minus 16. X minus 4, y 16. Minus 3, 9. This is the value of minus 3, 9. We write this value and make the graph. This is value minus 2, 4, minus 1, 1 and this is 0, 0. And this is value 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. and meet these all point with roughly free hand. First point to second, third, fourth, up to so on. This is your graph of y is equal to fx is equal to x square. In question number 12, it is also make the graph of this function. This is given that function real number to real number fx is equal to x plus 10. It is given. So then reals number we have put the value of this -2, -1, 0 and 1 in these functions. If we put the value of -2 in this function, we get the value of 8, -1, 9, 0, 10, 1 to 11. And this is your graph of this function. This is your x-axis. This is positive. This is negative. Y-axis, y dash. Now the value of -2, 1 and 0, 1, 2. And y value is 8, 9, 10, 11. We take 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, 10. This is the value of a y-axis. Now we meet these points. This is the value of x is equal to -2 and 8. -2 and 8. This is the combination of these value. Meet these all points. This is the graph of these questions. Now in question number 13, 14 and 15. In these all questions we make the graph of all these. So we solve this question number 10 and 11. Do yourself. In question number 16, it is given that fx is equal to real number function. It means real number put करें तो real number obtained है. fx is equal to x square minus 3x given. So now we have find the value of f of fx. Now it is given that this is the fx. यानी this is the value. Here the value of x is x. Or now we put the value of in this function. So this is the fx. Fx means this is the value of x. It means we put f into x square minus 3x plus 2. We put the x replaced by this x square minus 3x plus 2 का whole square minus 3 into this value plus 2. We find the whole square of this a plus b plus c whole square. It means a square plus b square plus c square 2ab plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And these multiply by 3, we get minus 3x square plus 9x minus 6 plus 2. And solve them, we find the result of this function f of fx in x की 4 minus 6x cube plus 10x square minus 3. In second part of this, it is also shown that we have find the value of these functions. It is also the same of as part first. It is also find fx into f into f. So in this type of this function, first we take these function fx. It is given that 1 by में 1 minus fx. It is the fx function. It is given that ये हमें दिया हुआ है fx जो फंक्शन है वो इसके इक्वल है. इसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास fx की वैल्यू ये. यहाँ हम इस फंक्शन के अंदर 1 बाई में x की जगह रिप्लेस करेंगे. 1 बाई में 1 माइनस एक्स. फिर जो वैल्यू आती है उस वैल्यू को इस f को हटाने के लिए रिप्लेस करेंगे और हम वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. x is equal to x minus 1 x plus 1. We have find the value f 2x is equal to 3fx plus 1 fx plus 3. So we take left hand side of this. Left hand side is f is equal to f 2x. So we replace x is equal to 2x in these functions. So then 2x, x replaced by 2x, 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. This is your left hand side. Now we take right hand side, and right hand side say that 3fx plus 1 by fx plus 3. So 3fx plus 1 fx plus 3. 3 into fx value is x minus 1 by x plus 1, x minus 1 x plus 1 plus 1. This is the given conditions. And fx, this value x minus 1 x plus 3. We take the multiply 3 inside. We get 3x minus 3 by x plus 1 plus 1. We take the LCM of these number is x plus 1. We get x minus 3 by x plus 1. So then x minus 1 x plus 1 plus 3. We take the LCM x minus 3 3x plus 1. 3x plus x we get 4x minus 2. This is the value by x plus 2, and this is 4x plus 2 by these. We reciprocal these value is 4x minus 2 by x plus 1 4x plus 2. We take 2 common is 2x minus 1 and 2 common out this 2x plus 1. 2 cancel to 2, we get 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. Look here, this is your left hand side. In left hand side say that 2x minus 1 by 2x 1, then left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence true. This is your question number 18. In question number 18, y is equal to fx is equal to ax minus b by bx minus a. Fy is equal to x. In these questions, we have put the value of fx, value of this function, and equal to this. Right hand side is x. So then we take left hand side of this function. This is we take this value of this function fy. It means fx of this function. A into value of x of this function is ax minus b bx minus a minus b as it is. And now put the denominator of this value b into ax minus b bx minus a minus a. Now we take multiply the inside and LCMs. We get a square x plus ab. AB cancel to AB. This is a square x minus b square x. Now we take the LCM of this function. So then abx minus b square minus abx plus a square. Abx cancel to abx. This function cancel to this. We get a square x minus b square x by a square minus b square. We take x common out from this number. We get this cancel to this with equal to x. It is your left hand side. And we have 90. It is given that fx is equal to 1 by 2x plus 3. And we have proved that 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. So then we take left hand side of this function is f into fx. F into fx function is like this, 1 by 2x plus 1. We put the x value in these functions. 1 by 2 into x value 1 by 2x plus 1 plus 1. 1 by 2 is multiply 2 by 2x plus 1 plus 1. Now we take LCM, and LCM is reciprocal of with numerator. So then 2x plus 1 and this multiply 2x plus 1. So we get 2x plus 3. This is your right hand side, hence left hand side is equal to right.